Have you ever dreamed about leaving everything behind and traveling the world? Do you love visiting new amazing places and just enjoying life? I am Blake, and a few years ago, I quit what I thought was my dream job to pursue my passion for traveling and cooking around the world, taking me to over 40 countries so far. It was not the safest option, but it felt right, so I decided to go on my own adventure, and this is where it took me. I just knew there was more to life than being told what to do and being used in someone else's dreams. I would never be here if I hadn't gone after my own dreams. I truly believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to find their true passions in life and create a better life for themselves. I dedicated this channel to document my journey and inspire you to take control of your life and start to live wild and free. So ask yourself, what's my dream? Make sure to subscribe to this channel to follow my crazy adventures and help bring you closer to your traveling goals. Whether you hate your 9-to-5 job, you don't think you have enough money, or you're afraid of taking a big step into the unknown, this channel is for you. So here's to your freedom.